From the title of this video, you have probably already guessed that there are some mysterious ways to speed up and to make better your GMAT Verbal score. Now, you're not wrong. Are you interested? If yes, you are in the right place. Greetings! My name is Bogdan and I am GMAT Verbal instructor from MBA Strategy, and right now I'm going to lift a curtain of mystery over the secret ways to speed up your verbal score. Let me begin with the easy one. Here is sentence correction task. And you probably know how it is done. So you have to read the task, there is a mistake in it, or probably there is no, but you should look through the task and you should find the mistake, you should correct it. That's how you probably do it by the book. But think about it. When you are following through every possible choice, you are losing your time. Time just slips through your fingers like sand, and then when you encounter the task that you really need some time to read through and to think about, reading comprehension for example, you are forced to make your choices hastily, and in that case your chances of making a mistake skyrocket. And in that case you probably want to know better strategies to solve this task. As you understand the full extent of a problem, we can proceed to trying to solve it, right? So in our task you have a possibility to spot the phenomenon of GMAT that is called split. So in our task we have 3 answer choices that follow the one way and 2 that follow the other way. So basically we have to decide, do we need has in this sentence or do we need have? In this case you will have a little bit of time. Actually you can pause the video and try to decide yourself. So 3, 2, 1, ready? So in our case the subject-verb pair is rock samples have or has been dated. As you probably understand, rock samples are plural, so each variant that sports has should be eliminated and cannot be the correct choice. So this way, with one acute observation, we have eliminated 3 of 5 answer choices. Now, even if you have no idea which of the 2 choices that have left is correct, you actually have 50% chance of guessing. But we do not believe in luck, right? So we will try to solve it correctly. Now, I will give you some more time, or you may give it to yourself and pause the video again and decide which of the 2 answer choices that are left is correct. Ready? Okay. So here you could spot the split easily. You can see that in one answer choice there is dated at and in other one dated to be. But deciding which of them is correct is harder. Actually, it requires you to know certain English idioms, and in this case dated at is a correct choice. Why? Dated at is usually used when we're talking about the age. So dated at 3 million of years, for example, is okay. But dated to is used to a certain historical date. So we could say this pyramid is dated to 5,000 years BC. That is acceptable. But in our case, it is obvious that we need dated at. As you can see, instead of considering each answer choice separately, we can just identify the split and eliminate some answer choices altogether. If you use this technique and practice a little bit, your pacing at GMAT will overtake that of jet planes. So, good luck! Speaking about practice, here is little something for you to try your brand new GMAT strategy. Leave your answers in the comments below. The fastest minds of wild GMAT will receive pleasant or useful gifts. The public's widespread belief in the existence of UFOs and their general curiosity about extraterrestrial life has generated considerable interest in science fiction. Have a desire to learn more about GMAT? Be sure to check other videos on MBA channel. You may find a lot of interesting information about test-taking, applications and a lot more. Subscribe and leave a comment if you find this video useful or interesting. There is a lot more coming ahead. See you!